What's up, guys? Anton here from Dropship Lifestyle, and in this week's episode of Dropship Weekly, I want to talk about something I've been seeing more and more of recently, and I can't say it's like a new trend or anything in the world of e-commerce and dropshipping, but I have seen more and more people recently online posting, hey, I just built a Shopify store, I got my Facebook ad set up, can someone see if this is correct? I have people clicking, I have people coming to my website, but I'm not getting conversions. So I've seen this happen, time and time again, especially very recently in other Facebook groups. So some of these free e-commerce Facebook groups where a lot of beginners seem to kind of congregate. So I wanted to make this video for anyone that is in that situation, which again is you built a Shopify store, you have products on it, you're running Facebook ads and people are coming to your site and they're not buying. I'm going to share why I think that may be happening, what the most common reason is, and hopefully a strategy that you can implement to get you better results right away, literally starting as soon as your new product feed gets approved. So with that being said, I'm going to share what's on my computer. We'll do a couple diagrams, then I'll take you into the traffic source that I think you should be using. So let's get right into this week's episode of Dropship Weekly. Okay, so I thought the easiest way for me to share this would just be to have this like notepad open. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw out this whole process. So again, let's say this right here, right? This is your Shopify store that I'm assuming you have set up. You are, pretty sure that it can convert. You know it has products on it. You did that work. So once the store is built, it's time to get the people to find you, right? So we'll do blue for Facebook, and we'll just do this person up here, right? Here's our little cartoon guy. And let's say he is on Facebook and he's scrolling through his feed, and whatever product you're selling on your store, you want to show him an ad for. So to get this more specific, let's actually, think up a product, right? Let's just say you're selling surfboards, if that's your product. And that does not look like a surfboard, but that's how I draw them. So we're gonna write it out here. Here's a surfboard. Okay, so this guy is scrolling through his Facebook feed, and let's say you're targeting him, right? The reason he's seeing the ad is maybe because his interests are, different surfing magazines or different pro surfers, or maybe he likes different pages on Facebook that, maybe are already like selling surfing products. So you're targeting this person based on his interest in surfboards, and then you're really interrupting, this is important, you're interrupting his viewing experience on Facebook by showing him an ad, and again, I'll try to draw it. That's the surfboard. An ad for a surfboard, getting him to click it, come to your website, and then hopefully purchase. So yes, this can convert, and I know, they'll say it now, I know most people that are doing Facebook ads straight to Shopify product pages are typically selling lower priced products. But still, you have to think about this. You are interrupting their viewing experience based on their interests by showing them something that you're then asking them to purchase. So can this work, right? Can you show ads for, random products that are closely related to their interests and get them to buy? Well, the answer is yes, of course you can. There's a lot of people doing this. But here's the thing. If you are brand new to e-commerce and to internet marketing, you're not going to get this right from day one. And, it's whatever. Maybe no one's ever told you that before, but to take someone while they're doing something, to interrupt that, again, browsing their Facebook feed, to interrupt them and then have good enough, of an offer, good enough copy, a good enough looking website, and enough to get that person to take their credit card out and buy right away when they had no intention of buying, it's not likely. Okay, so then what does that mean? Does that mean you should give up? Does that mean you shouldn't, advertise to these people? Well, it doesn't mean you should give up, but I would definitely say if you have been trying this, and again, you're new to, e-commerce and you're new to marketing, then I would say don't do this anymore, okay? These people, this traffic source right here, forget about it, right? No matter what you're selling, if you haven't got it to work yet, my advice is take a break from that and at least try what I'm about to show you for, at least a few weeks, right? You want, especially if you're already getting clicks, you're getting impressions, you're getting people to your site, try this instead. So we're gonna go with, we'll just do a different green color for this, right? So you have another person, and this person is on Google now. Okay, so instead of Facebook, they are on Google. And let's say this person searches on Google for, blue surfboard, right? Or whatever, brown surfboard, or 8-foot long surfboard, or ocean surfboard, whatever it is. And let's say that person that just made that search, they see your ad, okay? And they see it right when they search for it. And here it is again. Now, if that person sees your ad and they click it and they go to your store, how much more likely do you think that they are to actually buy from you? Okay, because again, this one up here, let me just change it. This has no intent. Okay, with Facebook, when you're targeting cold audiences, you're targeting based on interests. You're not targeting based on intent. That's very important. Whereas on Google, when someone searches and then you put a relevant ad in front of them, this is based on intent. So this is intent-based advertising. And you're advertising to someone who actually wants what you have to sell. Now, you might be thinking like, all right, Anton, I get that. Like, that makes sense. Maybe you've even tried things like Google AdWords before and they haven't worked for you. And I'll tell you, even again, if you're brand new, it's not going to be easy. This stuff takes time. You need to get a lot of moving parts right. But I will tell you, I'm not just recommending here that you just forget about Facebook and only use Google AdWords. Specifically, what I want you to do is use Google product listing ads, because that makes this intent even higher. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. And what we'll do is we'll switch screens here. Let me pull up the web browser. And as you can see, I'm on Google. And let me type, one of those searches that I said before, right? I'll type in like 8-foot, let's see, surfboard. Okay. So I'm going to search for that. No. And what you see up top here, right? There's different ways you could appear in AdWords. But up top, let me see if I could do this. I've never done this before, but I'm going to try to draw on this screen. Awesome. Awesome, it's working. Okay, cool. So what you see up here, all of these are advertisements. As you can see, it's sponsored, right? So you could actually appear here for the same Shopify store you already have. And if you don't have one yet, when you build one, you could appear here. And here's the beauty of this. The people that see your ads here are seeing, just look at this. I mean, they're seeing the image of the product you have for sale. They're seeing the product title. They're seeing the price. They're seeing your store name. So not only are they searching for you and for what you have to offer, but it's so relevant that they actually know the price before they even land on your page. So let me come back here to our example and compare that to this, right? When you compare that with someone who is just on Facebook and they see an ad and it probably says something like, save 50% on surfboards or whatnot, then they have to go to your website. Then you have to convince them that not only do they want a surfboard, but they want the surfboard you're selling. Whereas with Google, they're searching for an exact product. They know what they want. They have intent. They're seeing your ad. And remember here, before they even click, if you use Google product listing ads, before they even click your ad, they know your price. So they know you're selling something. They see an image. So they know what that exact product is when they go to it. Not only that, they see your store name. Okay, so this is a very, very, very good lead. And again, almost no matter what you're selling, my advice is to do this first. Use Google, not just any kind of Google ads though. Use Google product listing ads, PLAs for short. Sorry, it's so blurby, but use Google product listing ads. Now, in order to set this up, this is something obviously we teach in Dropship Lifestyle. So if you're serious about this, enroll in Dropship Lifestyle. If you just want to get like a feel for it, look up Google Merchant Center. It's free, but you'll have to create a Google Merchant Center account. You'll also have to create a Google AdWords account because that's how you fund this. But I'm telling you, if you're new and you're looking for the easiest wins, as long as you're selling something that is within the guidelines and you're allowed to sell it on Google, if they allow you to advertise it, this is gonna get you a much better ROI. It's going to be a lot easier for you to learn. And then when you figure this out and you become a better business owner, when you become a better marketer, when you want to get into the game of targeting people who have showed no interest in what you have to sell, then it's time to try Facebook to cold. But if you're one of those people, again, I've seen hundreds of these posts in the past few weeks that are wondering why this isn't working. It's because you have to be very, very good at what you do to make it work. Whereas with Google product listing ads, you can't just, I'm not going to tell you it'll take you 5 minutes, but it's a lot easier to get people convert. Now, here's what you should do with your Facebook knowledge, right? And your Facebook ads, because Facebook is still an amazing source of traffic, even if you're not trying to target cold people. So let me show you how that works here, right? Let's say you have these people from Google, from product listing ads, they come to your Shopify store, so they go there. Well, one of two things is gonna happen, okay? Remember, they have intent, so there is a better likelihood that that person is going to buy. Okay, so there you go. You made your money. Good. All is well. Now, obviously, there's things you do after they buy, but that's not the purpose of this video. But let's say they don't buy. You know they're a good lead because, again, of how you targeted them. You know they knew what you had to offer before they came to you, but they landed on your surfboard page on Shopify, and they did not buy. Okay, so what do you do then? This is when Facebook ads make sense, and this is when anyone, regardless of your experience, can get Facebook ads working. Now, what you do with your Shopify account in your Shopify store is you target the people, or you pixel the people, I should say, that visit your site. Obviously, they came through Google Product Listing Ads. You know they're a good lead. They're on your site. They didn't buy. Maybe they're just not ready yet, right? So when they leave, then and only then are you showing them Facebook ads for the same product that they were looking at on your site, and you're sending them back to the product page to get them to buy. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And just think about the difference here of using Facebook ads and how much more profitable they would be for you if the only people who saw your Facebook ads were already on your website, and the only reason they were ever on your website is because they searched for the exact product you sold and then clicked the button that showed them the price, that showed them the image of what you have to sell. This is the, like, seriously, the easiest way that anyone can get Facebook ads working. Again, you're sending them right back with dynamic ad to your Shopify store, to that exact product page that they were looking at, and that is how you get even more people to buy. So again, guys, obviously this isn't an in-depth training video, but I wanted to get this out there because, you know, I'm kind of sick of seeing people like in other Facebook groups saying, I've been trying this, why isn't it working? It's because this is really hard. Again, you can make cold Facebook traffic work, but it's very hard to do. You have to be very skilled in a lot of different areas of internet marketing. It's not as easy as just setting an ad up, whereas Google Product Listing Ads is much, much easier. So do yourself a favor, honestly, and try this out. Get your PLAs set up, see how it converts, give it some time, look at your data, and I promise you, you will be better off for it. Definitely let me know in the comments below this video of how it plays out for you. And again, if this is something you want training on, we have very, very, very in-depth training on Google Shopping, on Google Product Listing Ads, and obviously on all things e-commerce and dropshipping within Dropship Lifestyle. So I will link up below this video to the members area. And by the way, I just wanted to give some updates for everyone that's watching this that already is a member of Dropship Lifestyle. So let me show you. I showed you the update a few weeks ago of the new members area, but you'll see we updated our theme once again. So if you're using the Dropship Lifestyle Shopify theme, we do have a few new updates for you. And to access them, just log in and click to get the Shopify theme update version 2.1. So a few new things our developer put in there. Click that, it'll take you to the page. Also, we have our brand new Shopify training that has been uploaded. So all of these videos here, right? All these videos in the sidebar, they're all brand new, they're updated, and you know, as updated as they could be. We literally just created this entire new section. And one of the things I'm most excited about is for everyone that's in our 6-figure coaching program. If you go into your members area now, you're going to see we added in inbox funnels, which is our brand new advanced email marketing course. And module 1 has been uploaded in there already. And in here is where you're going to get like all of our training on how to collect emails, the technology you should use, the difference between evergreen and broadcast emails, how to know your audience, how to write emails. I give you copy tips, show you how to stay out of the spam box. Again, that's all live now in your members area, so I will link that up below so you can log in. And then the rest of inbox funnels, these are the dates that the rest is being released. So keep an eye out for that now. Log in, check out the main members area now so you can get module 1 and get started on your email marketing training. And with that being said, guys, if you got value from this video, as always, please do hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and definitely subscribe if you like this, because I do weekly videos at least on this channel with more trainings just like this. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in next week's episode of Dropship Weekly. Thank you.